Think your drink is innocent? Think again. Some beverages pack more sugar than a donut, silently sabotaging your health. Here's the shocking truth about 6 sugary culprits, and how to make smarter choices. The sugar trap, it's not just about dessert. We all know too much sugar isn't good for us. It's linked to weight gain, increased risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes, and can leave you feeling sluggish. But did you know that sugary drinks are often the biggest offenders? The dietary guidelines for Americans recommend limiting added sugars to less than 10% of your daily calories, which is around 50 grams, or 12 teaspoons, on a 2,000-calorie diet. Sounds manageable, right? But here's where it gets tricky. A single sugary drink can easily blow your entire daily sugar budget. Natural versus added sugar, what's the difference? Before we dive into the sugary culprits, let's clarify, not all sugar is created equal. The natural sugars found in fruits, vegetables, and dairy come packaged with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that support your health. And this is the part most people miss. It's the added sugars, those sneaky extras like sucrose, high fructose corn syrup, honey, and maple syrup, that we need to watch out for. These sugars offer empty calories, and can lead to those unwanted health issues. 6 drinks that are secret sugar bombs. 1. Sweet tea, Southern Comfort Sugar Shock. Iced tea seems refreshing, but sweet tea is a sugar bomb in disguise. A single 8-ounce serving can pack a whopping 19 grams of added sugar, or more. That's almost as much as a glazed donut. Even homemade versions can be surprisingly sugary. Controversial take: is sweet tea really a healthier alternative to soda? Not when it comes to sugar content. 2. Honey-Sweetened Teas, natural doesn't always mean healthy. Sweetened with honey sounds wholesome, but don't be fooled. Honey is still an added sugar, and commercially prepared honey-sweetened teas often contain around 18 grams of added sugar per serving. While honey has a different molecular structure than cane sugar, it still impacts your blood sugar levels. 3. Soda, the classic culprit. Soda's reputation as a sugary drink is well-deserved. One 8-ounce serving delivers 15 grams of added sugar, along with empty calories and no nutritional benefits. Studies link regular soda consumption to weight gain, heart disease, and even an increased risk of early death. Food for thought: are diet sodas a better option? While they lack the sugar, research suggests excessive diet soda intake may be linked to other health concerns like a larger waistline and an increased risk of diabetes. 4. Lemonade, tart and tempting but sugar-loaded. Lemonade, whether homemade, from concentrate, or store-bought, is a summer staple. But beware, an 8-ounce serving can easily contain over 25 grams of added sugar. That refreshing tartness comes at a cost. 5. Sports drinks, not just for athletes. Sports drinks are marketed as hydration heroes, but they're often loaded with sugar up to 15 grams per 8-ounce serving. While they can be beneficial for intense exercise, most of us don't need that much sugar during our daily activities. Question to ponder: are sports drinks necessary for the average person, or are we just falling for clever marketing? 6. Coffee drinks, sweetened bliss, sugar overload. Plain coffee is a low-calorie beverage, but those flavored lattes, frappuccinos, and seasonal specials are sugar traps. A few pumps of flavored syrup can add over 20 grams of sugar to your drink. Pro tip: opt for unsweetened coffee, use less syrup, or choose natural sweeteners like a small amount of honey. Quench your thirst without the sugar crash. Don't despair. There are plenty of delicious and healthy alternatives. Sparkling water with a splash of 100% fruit juice, a refreshing, bubbly treat with a fraction of the sugar. Unsweetened herbal teas, naturally sweet and flavorful without the sugar spike. Fruit-based smoothies, made at home, blend whole fruits, seeds, nut butter, and protein powder for a nutritious and satisfying drink. Prebiotic sodas or teas, newer options sweetened with natural alternatives like stevia and monk fruit, often with added prebiotic fiber. Naturally flavored sparkling water, satisfy your craving for bubbles without the sugar or artificial sweeteners. The bottom line: an occasional sugary drink won't derail your health, but making them a daily habit can have serious consequences. Be mindful of hidden sugars, read labels carefully, and choose healthier alternatives. Your body will thank you. What's your go-to sugary drink? Are you surprised by the sugar content? Let's discuss in the comments.